Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to recover your deleted TikTok account. This can be very easy to do, so let's go ahead and get right into the video. You'll need to make sure that you have the TikTok app. All you need to do is go to the App Store, search up TikTok, and just make sure you have it installed or updated or do whatever you need to do. You then want to go to your TikTok app. Right now, mine's not deactivated or deleted or anything, but if it was, a pop-up would come up saying that your account was deactivated. There's still a chance to get your account back. However, if it says permanently deleted, there is no way to get that account back, even if you try to contact TikTok support. So after 30 days, it's just gone out of the TikTok database. So the deactivation lasts about 30 days. So as long as you come back within those 30 days, you'll be able to get your account back and cancel the deactivation. All you have to do is log back into your account, and then you'll get your account back. But like I said before, if your account said that it was permanently deleted, you'll just have to start a new account because there's no way to get that account back. So hope this video helped. If it did, I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.